Ooh la la.
Hi guys! Today we're gonna build Halloween houses! Hooray! Hooray! Yay! And whoever makes the prettiest gingerbread house wins! I know that's gonna be me. That's gonna be me. I know it. All the instructions that come in this kit are on the wheel. And when we spin it, whichever one we get to find a place for it on our gingerbread house. Yay! Yay! Woohoo!
Ooh la la.
Wow! I love the color orange, but what are these? Let's see here. Pumpkin face gum. Sounds delicious. Oh, fall leaf twins. They're so colorful.
Hooray!
Oh, and look what Bella got. Green icing. Yeah.
Awesome.
It looks so pretty. Looks like you can write with it.
What?
Green icing writers. They are meant to write with it. What's these? Take off, yeah! It says here they are mini candy beads. They look so delicious. Look at the colors. So delicious. Num 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 num. Wow! Candy corn.
Yeah!
They're so colorful.
They look
them.
like lollipops.
Look at them on my chart. They look so colorful.
And so tasty.
Yum, 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 yum. Wow. Orange frosting.
Look what I got.
Orange pre-made icing with tip. Cute. Look, it's white icing. This is not rice, but not just any old icing. It's writing icing. Wow. What's this? You got white icing, white writing icing. And I got Halloween quins. They're so colorful. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah. Let's spin the wheel.
Yes! Yes!
Ready? A magic tree. It smells like gingerbread. I can't wait to eat it. But let me wait for the frosting.
My turn. Yum!
Orange frosting! Where are you gonna frost it? I'm so excited she gets to do that. Go, go, Bella! You're doing so good at this. I know. My turn. Look at this yummy cookie. Where'd it go? I guess I ate it all.
Here.
Oh, thank you. Let's stick it on the board. It works. Wow. It's so pretty. It's like a little cottage with a tree.
Yeah. This is the forest. I'm walking in the forest.
Spin, 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 spin. Pumpkin gum! Woohoo! You can stick it to your spider web. How much do you want to add?
Well, I think 3.
Cool. Hello. I think you should put on those 2 sides. Halloween. Candy corn! wait until I get frosting. Spin. Oh, you get the flapboard.
What?
Here you go. Are you gonna keep it there until you get something to put on it?
Yeah.
Yeah.